In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Slack. Whether you're looking to focus without distractions or just want to adjust how you receive updates, knowing how to control your Slack notifications can make a big difference in your daily productivity. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can tailor your Slack experience to fit your needs perfectly. To get started, first, you'll need to open Slack. This might mean launching the app on your computer or accessing it via a web browser, depending on how you typically use Slack. Once you're in, you'll be at your workspace, ready to dive into personalizing your notification settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu filled with personalized options tailored just for you. This menu is your gateway to various settings and features, and it's where we're going to make the adjustments. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Preferences. This will open up another window filled with settings that allow you to adjust everything from the way Slack looks on your device to its behavior. For our purposes today, however, we're focusing on notifications. Once you're in the Preferences window, look on the left side to find the Notifications tab. It will be your next choice. By clicking on Notifications, you open up a suite of customizable options that dictate how you're notified about messages, mentions, and more. Now comes the crucial decision: what kind of notifications do you want, or do you want none at all? If you're looking to silence Slack entirely, select the option that best represents nothing, or whatever choice there indicates you wish to cease notifications. Keep in mind that you can always revisit this setting if your needs change. Remember, these settings are not set in stone. Feel free to adjust them as your schedule and workload evolve. The ability to control when and how you receive notifications allows you to optimize your concentration and can help create a productive work environment that minimizes interruptions. By taking the time to customize your Slack notifications, you ensure that your focus remains exactly where it needs to be, on your current task. So, there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can tailor Slack notifications to better serve your work habits. Thanks for tuning in, and keep these steps in your toolkit for whenever you need to adjust your notification preferences again.